Good morning guys, in front of me is Sony Xperia 5V and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So just open keyboard layout and now enroll options, click on settings, select languages, tap on add keyboard and select the keyboard, the language that you want to use. Maybe let me pick Arabic so we can see the difference clearly. Tap on done and now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary one, it's up to you. But that's all, as you can see right after you select the language it will be applied. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.